Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're plunging straight into how you can create and use task templates in Zoho Project. This is your full 2025 guide. Let's get started. First off, we'll create a new task template. To do this, click on the Task Templates option on the left sidebar. Now click on Add Template. The reason we do this is to standardize recurring tasks, which saves us time and ensures consistency across our project. Next up, you'll need to fill in the details for your template. This includes the task name, description, and default assignee. Make sure to add a checklist if there are smaller subtasks that need to be completed. This helps us because it ensures everyone knows what they're responsible for and what needs to be done. Now that we've done that, let's set the duration for each task. This is crucial because it helps in project planning and ensures everyone is aware of the deadlines. After setting the duration, click Save to finalize your template. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project is now creating a template that can be replicated for future tasks. Finally, to use the template you've created, go to your project, click Add Task, and select your template from the drop-down menu. This will automatically fill in all the details from your template. Let me explain why this matters. Using templates significantly reduces the time spent on setting up similar tasks, enhancing productivity and efficiency. So there you have it. That's how you create and use task templates in Zoho Project. Remember, the key is to standardize recurring tasks to save time and ensure consistency. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.